Welcome everybody, another one of our miniature models from the Star Wars universe. This is Luke and 3PO and Landspeeder. It does have wheels on the bottom. Let's see if I can read the... I think that one's 78, I think. If it is showing up any better over there. That could be a 9. It could go either way. But, you know, General Mills Fun Group. Didn't know General Mills and Kenner were together. Once again, riveted together, die cast on the top part and plastic on the bottom. These do have, they spring a little bit. And they do still roll. They got the sort of float. It doesn't show on there, but it does have the sort of floating effect because the wheels are so far behind it. It sort of looks like it is floating as you sit it down on the ground. Let's see if I can find a straight edge. Oh, there's one. Like this and there. I say get that sort of, looks like it's sitting above the ground on that. Just a nice little effect. No Tusken Raider damage on it yet, so this is early in the movie. But let's see, no other real. I got got a grill back here. So yeah, and of course the middle part going right here, plastic part for this one. That engine, I just felt a little wobble in it. Yeah, so these are separate pieces for the engines. But anyway, that's about all I got for that. There's not, gave you a better look at Luke and 3PO and they'll focus on. No, it's got the molding, but there's no face. And they just went, looks like they just went with, I guess those might be a different color than the skin on the pants. I'm not positive on that. And I'll say this. C-3PO is starting to lose some of his gold there on his head. It's been rubbed off over the years. But anyways, that is all I've got to say about that one. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.